Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a delicious and energy-rich Indian dessert, the Badam halwa. This is a list of ingredients required. Take 1 cup or 150 grams of almonds in a bowl. Pour boiling water over it and soak for half an hour. Now peel the almonds. It's easy, just take one and pinch it between your thumb and index finger like this. Similarly, peel all the almonds. The blanched and peeled almonds are now ready. Take these almonds in a blender jar. Pour 1 cup of milk and grind it to a smooth paste like this. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a non-stick thick bottomed vessel. Add the badam paste. Remember, you have to keep the heat low to medium throughout to prevent burning. Stir till the ghee is combined well. At this stage, wash the blender jar with 1/4 cup milk and add it to the badam paste. Keep stirring continuously to prevent burning. Once the mixture becomes homogeneous, add 1 cup of sugar and mix well. As the sugar melts, you can see that the mixture has become very thin and watery. Keep stirring till the mixture thickens slightly and starts bubbling like this. Now add 4 tablespoons ghee, 2 crushed cardamoms, and a pinch of saffron that has been soaked in 2 tablespoons of milk. Stir continuously. The mixture slowly thickens. When it gets to a paste-like consistency like this and separates from the pan, you know your badam halwa is ready. This is the consistency we want when it is warm. It will become hard as it gets cold, so warm it slightly, like for 5 seconds in the microwave before serving. Enjoy! If you liked the video, please like and share it, leave your comments below, and for more such great recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.